Alright, today I'm going to be making Philly cheesesteak, and we're going to be using real ribeye, provolone, onions, and of course bread. Alright, medium-high heat, a little bit of olive oil. That's probably too much, but it doesn't really matter. Then finely diced onions. You want them pretty finely diced because you don't want to have like chewy bits of onion in your cheesesteak, but it'll still give it that oniony flavor. That's good. Then get your spatula out. This is going to be really important for later because we're going to chop it up with the spatula, and we're going to do a lot of spatula work. So just keep cooking the onions until they get kind of brown on the edges. That's good. And then you're going to want to, at this time, you got to chop up the ribeye. Alright, so we got our ribeye here. It's about 10 ounces probably. It's been in the freezer for about 30 minutes. You just want to cut it up real thinly. The thinner the better, because it'll make it easier in the pan. Because we're going to cut up most of it in the pan, and the thinner it is, the better. And the faster it'll cook too. You may notice that there's a lot of fat in this meat, and you don't really have to take any of that out, because the more fat the better, because as long as your heat's high enough, it'll just melt and make the onions and the beef taste really good. So keep all the fat. Okay, so we chopped up all our ribeye, and I gave it a couple other rough chops, like once I thinly sliced it. And so the onions are also almost cooked, so you want to put them off all the way to one side of the pan, get the heat on one side too, and then dump in your ribeye. Dump in your ribeye. It's kind of sticking. And then you just start breaking it up, chopping it around. Okay, so once you get your ribeye into the pan, just keep kind of breaking it up. Try and get it into smaller chunks. And then you want to keep cooking it until it browns and you can see no pink, absolutely no pink. So just keep chopping it up, turning it. You can mix in some onions too if you want. Alright, so at this stage, start sectioning out your beef. Do like 2 even ones depending on how much you have. So I have about 2 good sandwiches, so section them out. Make sure they both get even amounts of beef and onions. So we're putting on our provolone cheese now. And while you're getting on the provolone, you gotta definitely want to lower the heat and put on the lid, steam it. And at this stage too, cut up your rolls. Give them a little hinge too, so you have room to cut. Or you like to steam them too, because we're going to steam our provolone and our rolls. Bread on, like so. We cut both of our pieces of bread out, and I wish I had a bigger cast iron, but it's fine. Alright, so we got our bread. Can you get a plate? Alright, get ready to plate it up. Scoop down and under. Scoop out the extras. That's one sandwich. So that's how to make a really good Philly cheesesteak. It's pretty simple to do. You just got to get the temperature and the consistency of the meat right. So yeah, you should make it.
Hello everybody, I'm Matthew, and thanks for watching our video today. Thanks for watching till the end. Please make sure to check out our other videos, like and subscribe. We have a new series coming out called Food Fights. It's a head-to-head cooking battle. I think you all will really like it. Please turn notifications on so you can see that.